Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about what is the name of this emoji and where it is used. So let's get started. The name of this emoji is star stack, and it is used to express amazement, admiration, or feeling starstruck by something or someone dazzling. It also conveys excitement and fascinations, often implying a celebrity like admiration. Okay, you can understand this emoji by with an example of just like that. Just saw my favorite actor, hit this emoji, or this view is absolutely breathtaking. Okay, and then hit this emoji. You can, by this example, you can understand this emoji, uses of this emoji. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you find this video as an informative video for you, then please hit a like button. Thank you.